I'm working on this new project, and it's an apartment project located in Mexico City. This space has a special requirement. So as you can see, this is one apartment, but it's actually going to be divided into 2 apartment units because this is going to be 2 Airbnb rentals. So we want to break this into 2 different apartments, and we got to make it work. So one of the most important parts of our job is to provide with a functional and efficient space. We want to make sure we understand what the client wants for that specific space. Because this project is going to be an Airbnb project, and we already have some information about these spaces and what they need to have, then now we are ready to start space planning. I first start off by tracing the existing walls on my plan, and with the yellow marker I will indicate natural lighting. This apartment has 2 skylights. I always like to start thinking about lighting early in the process. I of course want to keep the entry on the same spot because this is an apartment, not a house. I'm thinking to have one apartment here and the other one here. This space has 2 balconies and 2 skylights, so it makes perfect sense to divide it this way. I'm now tracing the existing walls that will stay. One of the challenges of this project is that we need to demolish as little walls as possible. With a different color, I will draw a wall because this will be a new partition that needs to be built here to actually divide this space into 2. I will now add additional doors to enter to each apartment unit. So this apartment has a skylight, and this one too. Up here we already have a wall which we will try to keep. I see that this could be the bedroom here, so I want to make the other apartment similar, so we have to add a wall on that side as well. These closets have swing doors, and that's not ideal. We will change that for a pocket door. And our balconies have French doors, so those can stay. These are existing walls as well. This is a window, so I will close it off, and I think I can fit a bathroom here easily. I want to do the same on the other side. Because these apartments only have 1 bath, we need it to be close to the bathroom, but also close to the social areas. So it has to be convenient. Under the skylight, I want the living room, and this configuration may change later, but for now we are indicating the location only. I will have my kitchen here at the entry, and remember, this is an Airbnb, so we don't need a formal dining space. So we're just gonna have a peninsula with some seating space. On the other side, I said this was a skylight, but in reality there is no roof here at all. In Spanish we call it a sotehuela. I don't know this name in English, but we have this type of open spaces sometimes in homes and also in apartments. So I want to turn this into a rooftop. By the way, this apartment is at the top floor of the building, so that is why there is no roof. So we might need to close this off with a wall, and here we have some doors and a wall that I'm thinking should go. Here next to my outdoor lounge, I want the living room so that it becomes an indoor-outdoor space. And this space at the corner is perfect for my kitchen. There's also a wall there that we will demolish. I wanted to put an island here, but I realized that this space is way too small, so we will have just a peninsula here as well with seating for 2. This is a long hallway, so I'm thinking to make it really nice with some art on the walls and maybe pendants. Maybe we can have some bold color on the walls. So there you go, we turned one apartment into 2 functional apartments with the least amount of modifications as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.